Whether you're reorganizing classes or a student has left your school, removing students is quick and easy. This tutorial will walk you through both options. Log into your admin account at school.oksensay.com. Option 1. Remove students permanently from your school. Use this option if a student has transferred to another school or is no longer part of your school or organization. 1. Click Student List from the left menu. 2. Find the student or students you want to remove. You can select multiple students at once. 3. Click the red Delete button on the right side. 4. Confirm that you want to delete these students. Once removed, you will no longer be able to see their student progress or records. This action is permanent. Option 2. Remove students from a class but keep them in your school. Use this option if you want to move a student to a different class or temporarily remove them from a class while keeping their records in your school or organization. 1. Go to Student Roster. 2. Select the roster you want to remove students from. 3. Find the student or students you want to remove from the roster. 4. You can select multiple students at once. 5. Click the red Delete button and confirm. After removing students from the roster, you'll also need to update your class. 1. Select the class that includes the removed students. 2. Click Invite Students. 3. Find the student or students you removed from your roster. 4. Click the red Delete button. 5. Confirm that you want to remove these students from the class. And that's it. The students have been successfully removed from the class. You'll still be able to see their student progress and records, and you can add them to a different roster or class at any time.